My name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So we're looking at enabling the compact view. This is for the search widget, which is just placed here in the header. So if we go to mobile view, so I'm just going to go into developer tools and just slow that down to mobile view. You can see here now that compact search is enabled, and it is by way of having the magnifying glass there. Let me just show you where that setting is in the back end. If you go to settings and design settings, and then when that loads up, in the first tab, you're looking for the header design. And then when you scroll down, you can see here the header search is set to compact on mobile. So if we just display it as normal on mobile, so we set it to display on mobile, we're going to save that. We'll go back here and we'll refresh it. We can see that the compact view disappears and you can see it's stationary in a fixed position just here. Okay, so that's how you change it. You simply go down, you select compact view on mobile, you save the changes, you go back and then press refresh, and you can see you've now got the compact view, which is using this icon just here. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.